Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're on I-81 North in Kingsport, Tennessee, beginning at mile 66 in Sullivan County. We're approaching the end of Tennessee and we'll be in Virginia soon. Today's video is going to be a little more rainy, but in the remaining videos of this series we'll have good weather and sunshine. We enter the census-designated place of Blountville, the county seat of Sullivan County. Blountville is the only county seat in the state of Tennessee that is not an incorporated city or town. Several of Blountville's surviving 18th and 19th century buildings are included in a historic district listed on the National Register of Historic Places. The Deary Inn was built in the late 1700s and consists of 3 buildings, a 2-story log home, a 3-story stone house, and a 2-story frame building. All buildings are next to each other and attached. The home is a private residence. Blountville had a population of 3,074 at the 2010 census. As we approach the city of Bristol, Tennessee, we see a brown sign indicating the birthplace of Country Music Museum at the next exit. The city of Bristol lies on the Tennessee-Virginia border with its twin city of Bristol, Virginia on the other side of the state line. The two cities share a common downtown area with State Street running along the state line. Bristol is probably best known for being the site of some of the first commercial recordings of country music, showcasing Jimmie Rodgers and the Carter family, and later a favorite venue of the mountain musician Uncle Charlie Osborne, hence the birthplace of Country Music Museum. Bristol is also the site of the Bristol Motor Speedway, a NASCAR short track that is one of the most well-known motorsports facilities in the country. Bristol, Tennessee has an estimated population of 26,881 as of 2018. Here we cross the state line into the Commonwealth of Virginia and we pull over at the Virginia Welcome Center for a quick break and to try to get a map of the state. Unfortunately, the lobby was locked up and we still don't have a map of Virginia. We're now in the Independent City of Bristol, Virginia, which is not part of any county. This is an unusual feature of Virginia, in addition to their insistence on being referred to as a commonwealth rather than a state. Bristol, Virginia has an estimated population of 16,790 as of 2017. At Exit 1, U.S. Highway 58 East begins a concurrency with I-81 North. At Exit 5, we see a crossing of U.S. Highways 11 and 19, designated as Lee Highway, which was an auto trail that predated the U.S. highway system. The Lee Highway connected New York City with San Francisco, California. The sections of Lee Highway in Virginia and Tennessee are now U.S. Highway 11. If you saw our city drive in Chattanooga, we drove a bit of the Lee Highway there also. We'll see it again in a few miles at exits 10 and 13. We leave the independent city of Bristol and enter Washington County, which had an estimated population of 54,214 as of 2016. We end today's video at exit 13, which is secondary State Route 611 and connects with the Lee Highway, which runs parallel to I-81 to our left. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.